Today, the state Supreme Court heard arguments in a case that could decide if UW Health nurses are allowed to unionize under Wisconsin law.
This is a day the nurses have been waiting for more than 2 years. New at 4, JT Siskowski has you covered on the points raised by both sides.
Lawyers for both SEIU Wisconsin and the UW hospital and clinics faced withering questioning from Wisconsin State Supreme Court justices inside their chambers here behind me at the state capitol on Wednesday. At the center of this case is whether or not UW system nurses are allowed to form a union under Wisconsin law. SEIU is the union attempting to represent the nurses. They held this press conference before the oral arguments, where they highlighted their desires for a collective voice in workplace issues that they believe would improve nurse recruitment and retention. The court hearing centered on if UW Health is required to recognize the nurses' union. The nurses believe the controversial 2011 Act 10 does not apply to them because they are covered by other parts of Wisconsin labor law, meaning they can collectively bargain.
That's the legal win. I mean, a win for me is we get to have an election, bargain a contract, and really have our full union voice back.
An attorney for UW hospitals and clinics disagreed with SEIU's interpretation, comparing the union to the tailor in the Emperor's New Clothes folktale.
I'm going to make you a garment that only the most sophisticated people can see. And now we're presented with this interpretation of what happened in Act 10 that everyone knows is not what happened.
It could be weeks or even months before the justices issue a ruling in this case, but the nurses say that they will not be idle in that time. They will continue to organize and to push for change within UW Health. In Madison, I'm JT Siskowski.